How to find transit number on Bank of Montreal. The transit number for the Bank of Montreal can be found on various documents. The transit number is often printed on the bottom of your personal checkers. Look for a set of numbers to the left of your account number. The transit number is usually a 5-digit code. Log in to your online banking account on the Bank of Montreal website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the account details or account summary section. The transit number may be displayed there. If you can't find the transit number through the above methods, consider reaching out to the customer service. They can provide you the correct transit number associated with your account. You can find the customer service contact information on the website. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.